The 2009 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, navigation system, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, ABS four-wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.